How to add shapes in CapCut. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add the shapes in CapCut. So adding the shapes in CapCut can enhance your videos by providing visual emphasis. So here's a guide how you can add shapes to your video by using your CapCut. So first of all, you have to open the CapCut on your mobile device and you have to tap on a new project and select the videos or photos that you want to edit here. Go for the edit option, tap on a new project. Once you are here, just you have to select the one of the photos or videos from your gallery and go for the edit option. So CapCut does not have a dedicated shapes tools, but you can use overlays or sticker to achieve the similar results. So you can tap on the overlay option here. Once you have tapped on the overlay, you have to simply go for the add overlay and you can add a new layer on the top of your video here. So once you have add your overlay, you can go for the shape option. If you can see the shape option here, you have to tap on your videos here. You can go for the effect option. You have to just tap on the effect option and search for the shape that you want to apply on your videos or filter here. So if you find any shape here, you have to just go and add a shape on your video or photo here. So you can also go for the marks option. On your marks option, you can see the hot option here. So here you can add the marks option on your videos or photos. So you can adjust your shape of overlay here. So with the help of this video, you can easily know about how you can add the shapes in CapCut. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.